Okay, we're going to talk about why we subtract exponents when dividing. So let's take a look at a basic fraction to start out with. We have 9 over 6, which we can factor as 3 times 3 over 3 times 2. Then if you notice here, I canceled the common factors. So when I want to reduce fractions, that means I have to cancel common factors. And if you see, I get a result of 3/2. Now this is an improper fraction, and I do not need to convert it into a mixed number, so that's completely simplified. Now let's take this one. This is 2 to the 5th over 2 squared. So if I have 5, so remember, exponents tell you how many factors you have. So I have 5 factors of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on top, and 2 factors of 2 on the bottom. So when I cancel the factors of 2, I will wind up having 1, 2, 3 factors of 2 left, so that becomes 2 cubed. Now, an easy way to do this without using a rule is just count how many factors do I have on top, 5, how many factors do I have on the bottom, 2. So when I cancel common factors, I have a total factors of 3 left on top. So that's why I get 2 cubed. Over here is the rule. The rule says if you have x to the a over x to the b, that's x to the a minus b. Because if I had a factors of x on top and b factors of x on the bottom, I would cancel the common factors and get x to the a minus b. Now let's do a couple examples. So this first example is we have 10 factors of x on the top and 2 factors of x on the bottom. So when I cancel the 2 common factors, I will get x to the 8th. Now here I've done a few more. This is x to the 4th, y to the 6th, over x squared times, x squared times y. So if I have 4 factors of x on the top and 2 factors of x on the bottom, that will leave me with 2 total factors of x on the top. The second one is 6 factors of y on the top and just 1 factor of y on the bottom. You remember, we don't have to put a 1 there as our exponent. And so that will leave us with 5 factors of y on the bottom. Now let's take a look at this last one. This is where negative exponents come in, and it can be a little tricky, but let's just do it without using any rules. If I had 6 factors of x on the top and 10 factors of x on the bottom, well, they would all cancel, but I'd have 4 factors of x left, but not on the top, on the bottom. So remember, anytime you cancel everything on the top, you have to put a placeholder. This is 1 over x to the 4th. This is a lot like when you have 2 over 4, and it becomes 1/2. Notice how I canceled the 2 on the top, but had to put a 1 there as a placeholder. Thank you very much.